Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an update on the project pan. This is update number 3. First up is the LA Colors Glam Lip Mask. I have made some good progress on this product. Like the whole side over here. This stuff is so good. Eyeshadow primer from Profusion. Here's where we started. This was a new product added, and if I push all the product down, here is about where it is now. The Venus Perfect Brow Mini Kit. Great progress on this product. All of the white highlighter is gone. There is nothing in there, and I have some major pan on the product I'm using in my eyebrows. And once again, if you're new and you didn't watch the other project pans, I'm only working on these 2 pans because these 2 do not work for my brows, only this shade here. So now we're just going to work on that. NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin. A lot of that pan is exposed. I can definitely tell that I've made some progress on this because the amount of product that's left here. Some face powders, the LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder, and I've made a little progress on this one. It's a little dark. It's about a shade darker than my skin tone, so I can only use this during the summer. Even then, it's still kind of dark. The CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Pressed Powder. We've had some progress on that. Not a lot. I've been using a foundation that I'll share with you later. Not bad progress though. Much more of a dip in the side product there. Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder. This is the loose powder. I like this powder a lot. It's finely milled. Anyways, the longer mark is the first mark because it's a newer product we put in last update. And this is the second mark, and the powder is about halfway done. It's hard to share progress on the powders, but it was about halfway done, and now it's a little bit below that. So this product's going fast. LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. We're currently working on the highlighter, the bronzer, and this under eye like kind of setting powder. It probably could work for my full face as well. Sometimes I do use it, but it's kind of brightening, so I mainly stick to under eye use. And these are the main 3. Major pan on this product. There's literally just a little ring of product left. So that is almost done. I can tell we've almost hit pan on the powder, and the highlighter we did hit pan on finally. So I'm happy with the progress on these 3 here. Here I have the Rimmel Kate, this blush, contour, highlighter, palette trio thing that's in Coral Glow. We've hit pan now finally. There is major dips in the pan as well. We're working our way through this blush, and it's such a beautiful summery blush. I have an LA Colors highlighter, and we've mostly focused on this one. I dip into these from time to time, but I'm not looking to pan these. I was only working technically on this one, which is so close to being done. I believe there has been progress on this, but I can't remember fully what it looked like prior, so it's just a smidge of that. So pretty. The Milani Rose Face Oil. I'm so happy I did get to put a new mark on the bottle, because as an oil, it takes forever for it to go down and use so little of it. And I just sometimes I forgot about this product, to be honest, and I didn't use it, but I've been pretty consistent in remembering to use the product every time I do my makeup now, and here we are with the oil. We are more than halfway through the oil. Some sprays. I have Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Mist. I don't use this for a primer mist or anything. Here's the new mark. I literally just use this to wet my brush for eyeshadows. And at least we're making progress. And then I have the I Heart Revolution, this is from Makeup Revolution fixing spray in vanilla and coconut. This smells okay. I was hoping it would smell better. It is an okay face mist for setting makeup. It's nothing great, but that is one of the reasons why I'm going to use it and get it out of my collection. Here was where we started, and here is our mark now. So moving right along with this, I mean, I've made a point that this is the one I use most of the time when I do my makeup so I can get through it. I have mascaras, the Ioni. This one is close to, it's the volumizing mascara. I don't like this one at all, not a fan. Honestly, it does nothing for my lashes. I hate that it's a plastic brush. I mainly use this when I wear false lashes only, just to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes. And this is on its way out, so glad for that. And then I'm going to start really honing in on working on the Benefit Roller Lash. So this is still pretty good. It's just a travel size, but it's still full of product. And then the Wet n Wild Breakup Eyeliner. We've definitely made progress on this because this is the only black liner I typically use. So there's just a smidge left. I'm very, very happy to get this out of my collection as well. It's not my favorite black eyeliner. Products I haven't made much progress on is the Profusion. This is a glitter eyeshadow topper kind of product. Very, very gorgeous. It's drying out. It's hard to get the product out of here, but I do occasionally like to still pick it up and use it for inner corner. I just haven't gravitated towards this kind of product lately. And then I always forget about this Rimmel Brow This Way, and I don't think I've made any kind of progress on this product. It keeps falling to the bottom of the basket, and then all the products sit on top of it and it just goes to the wayside. Now, next two products I have are products that I haven't used and I don't plan on it, so I'm going to go ahead and take these products out of the project pan and do away with them and throw in 3 in its place. So these are just products that, this one especially, I don't like. So I'm just doing away with this product. Why force myself to use it? It dries slowly, even though it says it quickly dries. But it's the Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat. There's where we started. Here was our second mark. I did make progress. And we're pretty much at the bottom of the bottle anyways. And yeah, I'm done using this. This one, there's a little bit of product left in the Sally Hansen Big Matte Top Coat. There's first mark, second mark, and the brush really doesn't reach down here anymore, so this is the only reason why I am putting this one out. I would say that this one is pretty much done because of that. So in the polishes place, I'm going to put in the Profusion Feel Good Skin, and this is the Long Wear Skin Perfector. You cannot tell where this product is, but if I had to guess, it's probably at least halfway through. So because of how light and stuff it is, it may be below that, but I'm just going to continue to work on this in my project pan. I really love this foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and use this up, and it's a very, very nice foundation with very good coverage. The NYX the Marshmallow Primer. I like this marshmallow primer. I like how it smells. Does it do great at filling in pores and stuff like that? No, but it should have a nice, comfy, smooth base for your foundation, which I do like. And then I'll pair this sometimes with the e.l.f. Putty Primer to fill in pores further. This is where the product is right now, and it comes up through the bottle, so this is how much is left. We're halfway through the product, I would say. And then last but not least, I'm going to throw in the Rimmel Insta Conceal and Contour little palettes. But the reason why I'm throwing it in is because I love this for brow cleanup, and it's pretty much, it's gone almost. There's just a little bit left, so I started thinking I'm going to continue to work on this. I do like this concealer. It doesn't crease on me or anything, so I'm going to use this. I usually don't use cream contours, but for the sake of using this product up, I will make a good effort. But I do plan on using these two up entirely. So that's already got some pretty decent progress. So we're just going to work on it. And that has been update 3 on Project Pan of 2023. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully this motivates you to do your own Project Pan. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Project Pan links. Thank you so much for watching.